until the roses. Kita, oh my gosh, you got more roses. Thank you so much. Rello, thank you. You better stay on. Well, I'm not leaving while I'm getting roses. Keep sending roses. Y'all are funny. Okay, I love you all. Oh my goodness. Rello, thank you. Thank you, Camarello. You guys make it so hard for me to leave. I like already feel bad leaving. And then if you guys say don't go, I'm like, okay, that's it. I'm staying. Soy, thanks for the follow. Cam, Alfred. Thank you so much. Cheetos or Doritos? Thank you so much for all the roses. Stay on. Okay, I'll stay on for a minute here, Matt. Cam, you did not have to send me so many roses. Thank you so much. Thank you. 218 roses, Cam. Oh my goodness. Doritos nacho cheese. That is good. Thank you, Cam. You're so sweet. I'll miss you until tomorrow. I'll miss you too, Bia. Okay, I'm gonna stay on till the end of these roses. I should be getting off though. Rallo, thank you for the paper crane. Oh my gosh, you guys, stop. Thank you so much. Y'all are so sweet. Stop. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Crack me up. Kim, you're so sweet. Rello, thank you. Hi, JH Powerboat Racing. How are you? Kim, thank you for all the roses. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to stay in for a little bit, because I'm not going to just leave while you're sending me roses. I would never do that. Thank you so much. Hello, hello. Johnny from Long Island sending you love. Hello, Johnny. Leaf, is it? Thank you for the rose. Thank you, thank you. Aw, Bia, don't get emotional. Thank you, hot dog. That was a really sweet compliment. Thank you. Hi, Dennis. I live in France, and you? I am in Oregon in the U.S. All right, everyone. Oh my goodness, it's very hot in my room. I need to turn off the heat. I'm going to be heading out, but thank you, everyone, for all the love. Y'all are very, very sweet. Zach, I know, aren't they so sweet? Y'all are really the best. You make my night. You're all so positive and sweet. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Dennis. Te amo. Yo también te amo, Luis. Cam, thank you. Viva la France. Hello. Michael, thanks for the follow. Cam with the roses. You're so sweet. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love to chill with you. Aw, thanks, Douglas. I appreciate that. Joy, thanks for the follow. Shout out from the islands. Hello. Shout out to the islands. Jasper, thank you so much for the follow. Cam, thank you for the roses. Thank you, thank you. You're the best always. Don't let anyone dull your shine. Aw. I will try not to. Thank you, Cam, for all the roses. So sweet. Thank you, thank you. Mwah. Cam, oh my goodness. Thank you for 71 roses. Your eyes are beautiful. Thank you. Hi, Fabio. Hi, Cam. We already are friends. What are you talking about? Ferd, hello. How are you? Guys, I'm getting so tired.